Are you on vacation or on a business trip and you realize that you forgot your AC power cord to your CPAP machine and you're like, oh my goodness, what am I going to do? How am I going to find one? Am I going to have to struggle breathing at nights because I do not have my AC power cord for my CPAP machine? I may be able to help you. I can't tell you how many people in my inner circle have had this issue. It's been 2 in the last month. One is in Denmark and one is just traveling across the United States, and they don't know what to do because you just can't go out to Walmart or a store and purchase a CPAP machine because it's, a prescription. And you're like, well, what am I going to do? I don't have the cord. How can I get a hold of it? Well, I'm going to show you how to do. This particular cord is called a figure 8. This is just a regular 2-prong cord. The official name for it is called non-polarized. And you'll see that on the left in the blue, that's the kind of cord you need, the figure 8. It's 150 volts or can go up to 250 volts, and it's a common generic cord that can be found pretty much anywhere. And I'll show you right here where you can find them. And this particular one came off of my Dell laptop computer. They go into a lot of Toshiba's, HP's, other Windows-based laptops. They go to my printer down here, which is an HP. They'll go with Epson, several different printers. Back here, my flat screen TV only uses this kind of cord, this exact cord. My Xbox One back here, PlayStations, Apple TV, numerous upon numerous electronics use this cord. Now, where am I getting at, you might ask? Well, look around you. You might have been traveling, and you might have one of these cords with you for your laptop. And you're like, oh, okay, well, here it is. If you're at a hotel, go down to the front desk and ask the front desk clerk real nicely. Say, hey, this is my dilemma here. I need one for this machine. What am I going to do? Well, ask them if they have lost and found. Hey, do you have a cord in the lost and found? They may. They might have been holding one of these for years. And I'm like, yeah, sure, you can have it. Go to your local thrift store in the United States or wherever, Goodwill, and go to the electronic department and see if they have these cords in like a big box for like, $2. Go to the used electronics and see if they have a device that uses this cord and buy the whole unit, a used electronic thing for $20. I can't tell you how many people are willing to pay $50, $100 overnight for this power cord, this simple power cord, so they can get precious air at nights that they need for their CPAP machine. We all do. We need that. And so I understand the dilemma, and I don't want it to ruin your vacation. Now, if you've tried that, and that doesn't work, you can pick up these cords, and the technical word for it is called a non-polarized. And like this particular model, this is a Devilbiss, as you can see there, right here. 90% of CPAP machines will have this. Get it online. You can find it on eBay or Amazon, and you're like, well, I'm across the country. How am I going to do that? I'm across the world. Well, Amazon has warehouses all over the United States, all over the world. Warehouses to where you can buy it and have it shipped. It might cost you an extra shipping to have it overnight or 2-day. Or you might have Amazon Prime. You might be able to get it shipped next day for free. Just make sure on Amazon you plug in the hotel address or whatever address that you're in, and you'll have it the next day. And so I'll put a link in the description, the Amazon link, and I'll put the eBay link as well in the description. That way you can order one. If this particular, if for whatever reason this particular vendor on Amazon doesn't, do it to your location, search and look and see where the AC cord is in a warehouse closest to you, and I guarantee you could probably pick one up. And of course, if you're in Europe, you know that you have to have, or any other country that doesn't use the American US cords, they have adapters that you can buy that you can plug it in there and plug it in the wall. They know that travelers need that. Which CPAP machines does this work with? Of course, the Devilbiss that I showed you here. It works with the ResMed AirSense. It works with the REMstar System 1, the Puritan Bennett Goodknight, the AirCurve BiLevel, Phillips Respironics, the Paykel and Fisher. Those are just a few that this cord works with. But I guarantee you might have one CPAP machine that this cord will work with. You just might have to do a little bit of research and look on the end and see if it's got that figure 8. CPAP manufacturers use these exact power cords, and they're about $5 or $10, so I need to put that little caveat there on the end. Make sure you tell me in the comment section, tell me what CPAP machine that you have. That's important. If it's not one of these, especially, that way I can put in the comment section, hey, it'll work with this unit too. Let me know where you're traveling at or in business in your particular situation. You don't have to tell me the exact hotel, but the state or the country that you're in. And make sure you leave a like and subscribe, and I do appreciate it. All right, have a good one.